Today we're going to make a super easy cherry cobbler, and it is going to be delicious, and it will impress your friends or family, and it won't take that long to make, and the ingredients are readily available. The only thing you might have to go out and buy is a can of cherry pie filling, and that's it. The ingredients, quite simply, we want a cup of sugar, a cup of flour, a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a can of cherry pie filling, along with a stick of butter. Now, follow these directions. We're going to preheat the oven, and while we do that, we're going to put this into the oven so that the butter melts. We're going to set the oven at 350 and let it start preheating. Meantime, while the oven is doing that, let's mix our dry ingredients first, so that way we get it all nice and mixed. Here we need the teaspoon. Like I said, I do 2 teaspoons of the baking powder. You can back off on it a little bit if you want, but I don't really recommend that. Just stick with the program. All right, and we got our cup of sugar here. Let's blend all of our dry ingredients. There we go, they're getting there. Let's get this out of the way. We'll get this out of the way. We don't need these. Clean up our station. That's the biggest thing my producer is always on me about. She's always saying, clean as you go, clean as you go. It's like, I used to work for somebody like that. But she's absolutely right. Okay, now that we have the dry ingredients well mixed, let's put in the milk. And we will start mixing this as best we can. Make sure it's completely blended. You can cheat if you want and use a hand mixer, but I'm so used to beating things by hand that, boy, that didn't sound right, did it? Yeah. Okay. Well, anyhow, we're gonna make this completely mixed. No lumps. It's a nice, smooth consistency. And we're going to wait for the butter to be melted, which may take a while. So we'll take a break here and come right back. Through the magic of video editing, our butter is melted. Let's take it out and begin. Oh, got to be careful. With the butter melted, the first step is to pour in the batter. I'm going to give it another stir just to make sure none of the solids have settled to the bottom of the bowl. And we're just going to pour it into the center. Do not mix it. Do not stir it. Just leave it be. And now for the cherries. Are you ready? Pretty much the same thing. Move the cherries around just a little bit. But do not stir them. Leave them be. And there you have it. It's ready to go in the oven. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? And no, we didn't miss any steps. So let's go ahead. Into the oven we go. Let's set the timer. Alexa, set timer, 50 minutes.
50 minutes, starting now.
We'll see you in 50. Well, time's up. Let's check on the cobbler. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Just what we want. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know if you can get this shot here, but if you look at it, it's starting to pull away from the pan, and that means it is done. Now, before you can enjoy it, you gotta let it cool. Sorry, just gotta wait, okay? So we're gonna wait a few minutes. We're gonna go find some vanilla ice cream to put on top of it, maybe make a little bit of coffee, and enjoy. Well, there you have it. I can't get much better than that, huh? The Cherry Cobbler, easy to make, just 50 minutes and you're done and ready to feed the family. As always, we want to thank you very much for joining our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe or like it or make a comment. And if you made the recipe, let me know how it turned out. Take care.